Ingredients for vermicelli pulao: sliced onions, whole spices, salt, turmeric, ginger garlic paste, roasted cashews, coriander leaves, chopped potatoes, chopped carrots, chopped beans, few mint leaves, oil, 1 chopped tomato, curry leaves, 2 sliced chilies, 1 cup roasted vermicelli, 2 cups of water. Add whole spices to the hot oil and then add the sliced onions. Cook till they are translucent. Now you can add the chilies and the curry leaves. Add ginger garlic paste and fry well. You can now add the roasted cashews and now the mint leaves and all the other chopped vegetables. Mix well. Add some water so that the vegetables are half cooked. Cover with a lid. After 2 minutes you can check if the potato is half cooked. Yes, it is now ready. You can now add the turmeric powder and the salt. Mix well. Also add the chopped tomatoes. Now you can add the water. We have taken 1 cup of vermicelli, so we have to add 2 cups of water. Mix well and close with the lid. Once the water boils, you can add the vermicelli. Mix well and cover with a lid. Check after 2 minutes. You will see that there is still some water left in the dish. Now you need to cook for 2 more minutes. Close the lid. Now let's check and see if there is any more water left. No, there is no water. You can now garnish with coriander leaves and it is now ready to serve. Thank you for watching.